Hello guys, welcome to the Future Minds. If you're wondering, which programs are actually worth installing to your PC in this video, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through our top recommended PC programs across various categories, both free and paid, that we believe stand out as the best. Most of these programs are available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Let's dive in. Number 1. Media Player. The default media players that come with your computer are adequate, but often lack advanced features. VLC Media Player is one of two free options that outperform many paid alternatives. This open-source player, available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. With VLC Media Player, you don't need to worry about codec packs, as it supports almost every audio and video file format, even the obscure ones. Another excellent media player to consider is PotPlayer, a popular choice among many users. This free software is available exclusively for Windows, offering a lightweight experience with extensive settings, customization options, and support for a wide range of media formats. Number 2. Image Editor. When it comes to image editing software for editors and photographers, Photoshop is often the top choice. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for both creating and editing images. The latest beta version of Photoshop now includes Firefly AI tools, which allow users to generate new images from text descriptions. Photoshop is available for both Windows and Mac OS, but one drawback is that it requires a subscription, starting at approximately $23 per month. For a non-subscription alternative, I recommend Affinity Photo. It provides a wide range of features for creating and editing images, as well as photo retouching. Affinity Photo also offers an exceptionally generous 6-month free trial. After the trial, the Windows and macOS versions can be purchased for a one-time fee of around $35. For a free option, the open-source image editor GIMP stands out as one of the best. As highlighted in our free software series, GIMP is excellent for tasks, ranging from simple photo touch-ups to creating entirely new images. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Number 3. The web browser. A web browser is an essential tool for any computer. Currently, Google Chrome is the most popular choice, offering a straightforward browsing experience without extra frills. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, there are plenty of other free options available. Microsoft Edge, for example, is packed with features and even includes AI integration through its partnership with OpenAI. For those who prioritize privacy, Brave is our top recommendation. When it comes to productivity, Vivaldi stands out as a top choice. Over the years, I've highlighted Vivaldi for its extensive productivity features and unparalleled customization options. Most of the browsers we've mentioned are based on Google Chromium. Firefox, however, is one of the few that isn't, and it offers a strong feature set, especially for those focused on privacy. If you're looking for a browser that provides a more streamlined and peaceful experience, consider the Arc browser. Unlike the other browsers we've discussed, which are available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, Arc is currently only available for Mac and Windows. Number 4. Screenshot Tool. If you need more advanced screenshot capabilities than what's offered by your operating system, we have some recommendations. One of the top choices is Snagit by TechSmith. This tool is loaded with features, allowing you to capture scrolling screens, select multiple areas in one screenshot, and even use its basic built-in screen recorder. After capturing your screen, Snagit allows you to add text, highlights, shapes, arrows, and other annotation tools. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS, with pricing starting about $30 per year. If you're looking for a powerful tool that feels like a paid program but is completely free, consider ShareX. This open-source software, available only for Windows, is my present screen capture tool. It offers over a dozen capture methods, including scrolling capture, and even includes a basic screen recorder. ShareX also comes with a wide range of annotation tools for marking up your screenshots. Another excellent option to consider is Flameshot, a free and open-source tool. Available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, Flameshot is user-friendly and offers a solid set of features, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Number 5. Office Suite. For many, an Office suite is essential. The top choice in this category is Microsoft Office, now known as Microsoft 365. It offers a range of built-in programs, with the most popular being Microsoft Word for word processing, Excel for spreadsheets, and PowerPoint for presentations. Microsoft 365 is available for both Windows and Mac OS, with pricing starting at approximately $7 per month. If you're looking for a free alternative, LibreOffice is the top choice. This open-source Office suite offers equivalents to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, with significantly improved compatibility with Microsoft Office formats. LibreOffice is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 6. Screen Recorder. If you're looking for software to capture your screen, Camtasia by TechSmith is a popular choice among professionals. It not only records your screen, but can also capture footage from built-in or external cameras, as well as audio from your microphone. Additionally, it includes an integrated video editor, making it versatile for creating videos for various purposes. Camtasia offers a wide range of filters, effects, transitions, and animations, providing extensive tools for video editing. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, and they offer a generous 60-day free trial. After the trial, the pricing starts at approximately $135 per year. For a free alternative, OBS Studio is highly recommended and is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This free, open-source software outperforms many paid options, with no watermarks or usage time limits. It offers features such as live streaming to platforms like Twitch, the ability to create an unlimited number of scenes, and an audio mixer with filters for each source. Number 7. Vector Graphics Editor. For designing scalable vector graphics that maintain quality at any size, Adobe Illustrator is currently the industry standard, offering a comprehensive set of tools. It's available for both Windows and Mac OS, with pricing starting at around $23 per month. For a one-time purchase option, Affinity Designer is a strong competitor. While it may not have as many features as Illustrator, it still provides most of the essential tools users need. Designer, like Affinity Photo, provides a 6-month free trial and a one-time purchase option for Windows and Mac OS, typically priced around $35. Another excellent option is Inkscape, a robust and free open-source vector graphics editor. It serves as a strong alternative to Illustrator and supports the Illustrator SVG file format. Inkscape offers a variety of tools and layer capabilities for creating or editing graphics. It is available on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Number 8. Text Editor. For current and aspiring programmers, Visual Studio Code is an exceptional source code text editor, whether free or paid. Offered for free by Microsoft, it supports nearly every programming language imaginable and boasts hundreds of extensions to expand its capabilities. One extension I strongly recommend is GitHub Copilot. It's incredibly useful for generating code, fixing errors, and much more. After a free trial, it's available for $10 a month, making it a worthwhile investment to save time and boost productivity. Visual Studio Code is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Number 9. Video Editor for PC. A good video editor is essential for anyone creating videos, whether for YouTube or other platforms. Adobe's Premiere Pro is my best choice when I'm not experimenting with other video editing software. As the industry standard, it offers nearly every tool a video creator could need, including support for unlimited tracks, numerous transitions and effects, and multicam editing capabilities. Premiere Pro is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, but like many Adobe products, it requires a subscription, starting at approximately $23 per month. For those looking for free alternatives, DaVinci Resolve is a strong contender. The free version offers enough features for most users, including multi-track timeline editing and a variety of transitions and effects to enhance your projects. DaVinci Resolve is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, though it does have a few drawbacks to consider. To use it effectively, you'll need a computer that meets or surpasses its system requirements. Additionally, it has a steeper learning curve, compared to many other video editors. If you prefer a simpler tool or have a computer with lower specifications, Shotcut is a solid recommendation. This free, open-source video editor is available for all major platforms and includes a range of tools, with support for resolutions up to 4K. Number 10. 3D Computer Graphics Toolset. For 3D computer graphics, Blender is an essential program that's both free and open source. It's superior to many paid options and has been used to produce animated films, video games, motion graphics, and more. Blender comes equipped with a wide range of tools for digital sculpting, modeling, and animation, along with a built-in video editor. As I've mentioned before, Blender is among the best free and open-source software ever created. It is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.